Good morning, first graders, and welcome to Thursday. We are on Unit 6, Week 2 of our phonics lessons. So we are working on the ah sound this week with that AU saying ah. Right here we have AU says ah. The word is August. AL work together to let the A say ah. The word is bald. So this is the time when we hear the L still. Okay, AL again, we will hear the L. The word is also. AU says ah, the word is haunt. AU says ah, the word is sauce. Remember that team, CE, making the S sound. AW says ah, the word is yawn. AU says ah. Okay, we know they're going to work together in the same vowel team. We've been talking about that. You can break it into syllables. What's the word? Because. AUGH says ah. A bossy R will make a new syllable. Sometimes it will keep the consonant with it. The word is daughter. AL work together to say ah. The word is ball. AW say ah. The word is drawn. Okay, look at the sounds here. Ah, the word is lawn. What happens if we remove the N? What would the new word be? Law. Add an S to the end of the word. The word is laws. Change the L to a P. What's the word? Pause. What is a homonym? Meaning another way to spell pause. It means a different thing, but we can spell pause another way. This pause means like an animal's hands or feet. Okay? But if we spell it by changing the AW to an AU and add an E to the end, it becomes pause, meaning to take a break. Change the P to a C. What's the word? Cause. Add an double L after the ah. What's the word? Calls. Okay, so we added it to the spelling. Notice the spelling changed quite a bit. The U went away because an L is helping the A say ah. And we don't need the the E anymore either. Okay, so calls. Remove the S. What's the word? Call. Change the C to an M. What's the word? Mall. Add an S to the beginning. What's the word? Small. Change the SM to an ST. We're switching what the blend is. SM to ST. What's the word? Stall. Remove the S. What's the word? Tall. Change the T to an F. What's the word? Ball. Change the double L to an N. Okay, we might need to change the spelling of the ah, but if we keep the sounds and just remove the L's to an N, what does it become? Fawn. So here we have a W working together to keep the ah sound. Change the F to a D. What's the word? Dawn. Okay, let's look at some sight words this week. Look, think, speak, red. Look, think, speak, green. Look, think, speak, blue. Look, think, speak, brown. Look, think, speak, yellow. Okay, you should know those very well by now. You guys are good with your color words. Okay, we are looking at our decodable today. Sight word, sight word, sight word that also uses the ah. What's the title? Not too small. Some sight words we'll see here. Always, they, one, of, said, can't. Ooh, what kind of word is this? This is a contraction. What does it mean? Can not. Just got squished together so hard that we had letters pop out. Look, think, speak, friend. want. Another, would. Okay, I'm going to disappear here so you can see all the pictures. Yeah, I want you to focus on the clues that we use to help us break apart words. Okay, if we see a vowel team, that will help us. If we see an ending, that helps us. EDs, INGs. Okay, bossy R's are like a vowel team, giving us clues. Okay, ER, there's another ending. We have a sight word, ER, small means more small. Okay, what other endings and clues are you seeing? Are you looking for those sight words? We put all those clues together to help us become better readers. Okay, ready? Begin. Each day, a crew of apes always played ball. They played from morning to night. They loved to play, but not with the small apes. One of the ape's daughters said, "Mother and father, why can't we play ball with you? My friend and I might be smaller than you, but we want to play also. Brother, too." Mother thought for a while. Then she said, "We will let you play, but do not be rude or naughty." Okay, take a minute, look for clues. What do you see here? Sight words, those ahs, endings, vowel teams, all the tools that we've been learning about. Put them together to help you be a better reader. Ready? Begin. So the big apes taught the small apes how to play. Then they all played a game. The daughter caught the ball. Another ape took a picture of the super catch. When the game was over, the apes all sat down and had fruit and blue juice. It was such a fun time. From then on, the big apes would call the small apes to play ball. All the apes loved to play. Father said, "We know that you can help us just like we can help you. It is good to be small." Okay, let's look at some of those clues that we were to be looking for. Okay, we had those vowel teams, the endings. Two of the biggest clues to help us break apart words are looking for vowel teams and endings. Okay, crawling. The word is crawling. Phew. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, looking here. What are some of the things that you are looking for? Can you find endings in this list? Can you find vowel teams in this list? I see a vowel team here. I see a vowel team here. Vowel team, vowel team, vowel team, vowel team. Okay, what about endings? EST means the most. We have an ER, so a bossy R tagging on to help us with our syllables. We have an ending here, ING. Okay, with those clues, it's much easier to read these bigger words. So let's read them together. Syllable, because, daughter, daughter. Rail, road, railroad. Tall, est, tallest. Zoom, in, zooming. Hall, way, hallway. Did you see compound words in this as well? Which two words are compound words? If you picked railroad and hallway, you are correct. Okay, all of these clues that we've been practicing, all of these tools that we've been putting in our minds help us to become stronger readers when we put them all together. Okay, remember this week we've also been talking about possessive pronouns. Remember, if it's possessive, it shows that somebody owns something. Okay, if we use the word my, who does it belong to? It belongs to me. Can you use it in a sentence? Its is something that belongs to it. It belongs to a thing, not a person, but a thing. Yours, okay, shows it belongs to you, as does your. They show up in different spots in the sentence. Okay, one is direct and one's indirect. Is that house yours? Which house should we go to? We should go to yours. Is that your house? Which house should we go to? We should go to your house. Okay, so this one needs an object to go with it. Our says it belongs to a group that I am a part of. His and his. Okay, two different ways when we're talking about it belongs to him. If we are talking with it indirect or direct, either way we use his. Where for girls, indirect and direct, we talk her or hers. That belongs to her, it is hers. Okay. There is talking about a group that neither of us are part of. My goes with mine. This is my house, it is mine. Okay. Direct or indirect, our and ours. How many of these can you use in a sentence? Give it a try. Okay. The other thing we've been looking at this week that you will have a worksheet that you've had to do is opposites, antonyms. Okay, practice with a friend or a sibling or a parent on using antonyms. Okay, what's the opposite of up? The antonym is down. What's the opposite of in? The antonym is out. Okay, the opposite of right, the antonym is left. And the opposite of yes, the antonym is no. How many other pairs can you come up with? Okay, keep practicing those. Keep practicing breaking your words into syllables and becoming a stronger reader. We'll see you later.